He's like, you'll get it, in theaters when,
You-
when
you-
we release the
You
movie.
have to say 2 words at least.
That's a good one.
Th- Thank you everyone for coming here, web and print media. And I'm very happy to kickstart the promotions from Mumbai.
Yes.
And this is an amazing film which we worked hard for last 2 years, and now it is yours from June 4th.
Lovely.
And I want to thank my director, Butch Babu, who worked very hard for this film. And he has taken whatever he wants from Ram Charan Garu. He has taken whatever he wants from you, sir. So many injuries, so much of hard work from last 2 years. And what not I can tell you. And I promised the first day that I will see the film from Ratnavelu sir's eyes. And it has come very amazing. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And you're the lucky chap of this
Thank you.
film.
Thank you so much. Happy birthday.
Thank you, thank you. You have done a great job for this
Thank you.
film.
Thank you, sir.
And Rahman, sir, really amazing. After a long, long gap in Telugu, it's all music, background score, whatnot, everything here you have given for this film. I think you have given your heart for this film. Thank you so much, sir. And really thank you. You have done a lot. And Jahnavi ji, you worked so hard for this film. And really you are very, very amazing. And there are so many things to say about you. Because I never felt anything, a point not none bad about you. And you are such an amazing person. And really, we thought of your mother when you're there on the sets. Very, very disciplined, and really very nice. I cannot express my feelings. Thank you. And Ramcharan sir. Ramcharan sir. One word of his brought me here today. At the time of Rangasthalam, he has given me a word that I will do a film to you. And here we are now. And he has done a film on a word, nothing else. To keep up his word, we worked very hard for this film. And this will be a sure shot blockbuster, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Many things to say, sir. Jai Charan. And thanks to whole my team from Ruddhi Cinemas who worked very, very hard from last 2 years. And thank you, Naveen Nuli. Thank you, Avinash ji, Avinash Kolla, and Praveen Garu, wherever you are, and Narasimha Rao, everyone. All team has worked very hard, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, India. Thank you, Mumbai.
Satish sir, thank you so much for sharing all of that with all of us. I would request you to stay back. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to invite on stage the man जो कि भारत को सच कहें तो एकदम ग्लोबल नक्शे पे लेके गए और बहुत ऊंचाई तक लेकर गए हैं. The maestro, ladies and gentlemen. इनका गाने जो होते हैं, इनका जो म्यूजिक होता है ना, वो थेरेपी होती है. वो सिर्फ म्यूजिक नहीं होता. Give it up for Mr. A.R. Rahman, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, sir, for grace you to watch the movie because BGM bhi kar rahe the. So talk to us about that, sir. What made you say that yes, this is the movie, you know, with, and of course the response that we're getting right now.
Yeah, I think I started with Tamil films and then I did Telugu dubbing and Hindi, everything. And I was waiting for the right movie in Telugu to come. And this is the one.
Wow.
So I was waiting, I was pushing, like people used to come for Telugu movies. But when he told me this story and his passion in the eyes made me feel like this is my first movie in Telugu. And I think it's beginning now. God, thanks to Butchi and Ramcharan and Satish, thank you.
Rahman sir, if there was one thing that actually stayed with you, is film say, what would that be, sir?
I personally think like anything you take, if somebody goes deep within the subject and pulls the best from every artist, that could be the great film. Like, you know, apart from success or failure, I think it's going to be a great success, God willing. For me, I feel like gone to the depth. Every frame, this man is shining. Every frame, and I can see the hard work and physically, spiritually, mentally, and a great honor. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
One last thing, sir. There was this viral video of yours, like a yogi. So what do you have to say about that?
I think he started during COVID, right? So he came to Dubai,
Right.
and this is the first Chikri was the first tune, and he said very good. And then I did a few other things, and then continued in Chennai. Then we went to Hyderabad. So he seems very sweet, but he's not. He's a tyrant.
You said it, sir.
He's a tyrant. He's a very, very soft and very nice, lovable guy. But he said, "Can you give another tune? Can you give another tune? Can you change the voice?"
Right.
But then that's what makes a person, you know, excel. I think all for the movie, all for you, Janvi. Thank you. Yesterday I was watching your mother's movie. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. रहमान साहब के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां, ladies and gentlemen. And now, let's do it. करते हैं तालियां, सीटियां, and of course a lot of love and acknowledgement for his talent. The man जो अपने डेब्यू से ही, you know, हर किसी के दिलो दिमाग पे छा गए. बुच्ची बाबू के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. So I would want you to take the center stage, sir. Of course, now when Rahman sir has already told us that you're not a very ऐसा सीधा साधा व्यक्ति. So, sir, what would you like to say? Thank you. Okay, so I would want him to talk about this cast, and of course, when Rahman sir talks about you know, collaborating with him, and of course praises him, what would he want to say?
అంతే
He's like, understood, of course.
So I got my Telugu back because I have to speak only in Telugu.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. అది ముంబై వచ్చినట్లేదు ఇక్కడికి, ఏదో ఆంధ్రాలోనే విజయనగరంలోనే ఎక్కడ ఫంక్షన్ జరుగుతున్నట్టుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ. అంటే నేను ఈ స్టేజ్ మీద ఏమి మాట్లాడలేకపోతున్నాను, ఎందుకంటే ట్రైలర్ బయటకు వెళ్ళింది, అప్లాజ్ ఎలా ఉంది, నా ఫోన్ రింగ్ అవుతూ ఉంది, ఆ టెన్షన్లో ఉన్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
If you were to talk about Ramcharan sir's transformation, sir, समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि वो कुश्ती कर रहे हैं, क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं, दौड़ भाग रहे हैं. He's doing everything. So what exactly is Ramcharan sir doing in this? Talk to us about his transformation, sir.
సార్ అంటే ఈ క్యారెక్టర్ చేయడం అంత ఈజీ కదండి. 3-4 మంత్స్లోనే మళ్ళీ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్, అంటే క్రికెటర్ టు రెజ్లింగ్ టు అనదర్ గేమ్ ఒకటి ఉంది. చరణ్ సార్కి చాలా కష్టం, టఫ్ అయిపోయింది. ఎందుకంటే బికాజ్ ఆ టైంలో తను మాల వేసుకున్నారు, స్వామి మాల, ఆ వెజిటేరియన్ బాడీ. నేను దగ్గరుండి చూసేవాడిని కదా, నేను డమ్మిల్ చేయడానికి ఒక సెట్ చేయడానికి ఒక రోజు జిమ్కి వెళ్తే ఒక 4-5 డేస్ వద్దురా బాబు మనకి ఎందుకు ఈ కష్టం అనుకుంటాం. అలాంటి టైంలో చరణ్ సార్ చాలా కష్టపడి, అంటే క్యారెక్టర్ హ్యాండిల్ చేయడం వేరు, చరణ్ సార్లో ఉన్న మాస్ ఎపీరెన్స్కి పెద్ది సరిపోతుంది. కానీ పెద్దిలో ఉన్న ఇన్నోసెన్స్ క్యారెక్టర్ పెద్దికి మాత్రం చరణ్ సారే సరిపోతారు. చరణ్ సార్ ఈ క్యారెక్టర్ చేయకపోతే పెద్ది ఎలా వస్తుందో నాకు ఇంకా టెన్షన్గా ఉండేది. థ్యాంక్ యూ చరణ్ సార్, ఇంత మంచి క్యారెక్టర్ మీరు నాకు సినిమాలో చేసి పెట్టినందుకు థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ, లవ్ యూ సార్.
Butchi sir, thank you so much for sharing that. Satish sir, I would request you to kindly translate that, sir, because there are so many people who would want to know kya bola sir ne. सुन लो ना, समझ लेंगे, अच्छा लगेगा. I know there's a lot of love here.
he is saying Charan sir has worked hard in 3 intervals for 4 months kusti and 4 months cricket, and the third one is other thing is there. So for 3 games, he
Sir, this is also Telugu, like that. This is not English, this is also like that Telugu.
Rahman sir, now I know what you meant, you know. Now I know.
See, he's creeping up, controlling.
We got it, sir. We got it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we know you, sir. Bucci Babu sir के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Okay, now it's time to invite on. Ladies and gentlemen, Chikuri in the house.
थैंक यू पहले तो ऐसे लग रहा है कि बहुत वक्त के बाद आप सबको ऐसे मंच पर मिल रही हो, तो थैंक यू इतना प्यार देने के लिए, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी टू बी हियर. हम ये फिल्म पर पिछले 2 सालों से काम कर रहे हैं और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. आज मैंने पहली बार आप सबके साथ ट्रेलर देखा है और सबकी मेहनत को देखकर, सबका प्यार को देखकर मैं इतनी खुश हूँ. एंड या इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल डे आई थिंक फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस.
You know, there's so much to talk about. Your character, the film, the cast, the wonderful people. Here, adapting that body language, the language, and of course, that attitude. How was it for you?
It was all बुच्ची सर. ये जैसे कि इन्होंने कहा ना कि ये लग रहा है ऐसे छुई मुई से, ये है नहीं. ये सबसे राउडी डायरेक्टर है इंडिया का. It's true, but honestly, it's been an honor for me. I think ये फिल्म ने मुझे बहुत कुछ दिया है. इतना सुपर्ब ट्रेलर दिया है, आप सबसे इतना प्यार दिया है. होपफुली फॉर जून के बाद और भी प्यार आएगा. बट रियली इस मूवी के दौरान मैं इन सब लोगों को जान पाई हूँ. ऑफकोर्स देवेंदु जी के साथ काफ़ी कम सीन्स रहे हैं, बट होपफुली इन द फ्यूचर. रैंडी सर के साथ ये मेरा दूसरा फिल्म है, एंड आई थिंक आई लुक द बेस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिज कैमरा. सो थैंक यू सर, ऑलवेज. It's always an honor to be a part of a film where Rahman sir is doing the music. It's I think our second collaboration together. It's been a complete honor. और ये जो इंसान है जो मेरे बगल में खड़े हैं, इन्होंने honestly he's changed me in so many ways. In fact, I think एक पॉइंट पर मैं जिस तरह से इनको अभी कॉल करती हूँ ना, ये मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो गए. हर रोज़ मुझे एक कॉल तो करना ही पड़ता है बुच्ची सर को कि सर कैसे जा रहा है, सर डबिंग करे. फालतू की बातें करती हूँ मैं, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि रोल तो ख़त्म हो गया है, लेकिन मैं सिर्फ आई थिंक इट जस्ट गोज़ टू शो द इन्वेस्टमेंट. इवन सतीश गारू, इन्होंने मुझे इतना अपनापन दिया है सेट पर. I feel like there's a genuine sense of ownership with the film, and it is genuinely one of the biggest honors of my life to have worked with Ram sir and to see what he's given this film. And I think because of all of the love that everyone's obviously given Mom and Chiranjeevi sir throughout the years, I understand कि एक बहुत ही अलग टाइप का जुड़ाव है लोगों को हमारे साथ, and it means a lot to us, but it felt very cosmic to come together for a very special film with him and to get to know him as a person, because he's the best person. He really is the best person. So I hope that you all enjoy everything he's given to the film, because we've all given a piece of our hearts to the film. So yeah.
Wow.
बहुत भाषण दे दिया. अभी क्या सवाल पूछेंगे
मैं
आप?
सिर्फ यही पूछना चाहता हूँ, लुक देख के हम लोग तो सब एकदम ऐसे हो गए कि वाओ जानवी और ऐसे.
पे जा रही थी टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही हटके डायरेक्शंस देते थे मुझे कि जीप के साथ ये करो, स्कर्ट के साथ ये करो, ऐसे बात करो. तो ये कैरेक्टर का जो अंदाज है, जो तेवर है, वो बहुत हटके है, बहुत अतरंगी है. So yeah, I've gone completely on his conviction. कोमल सर रिव्यू जब देंगे ना, जो भी मैंने किया आप इनका नाम लीजिए. But really it was so exciting, क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से इन पिछले 2 सालों में मैं बहुत खुल गई हूँ, एंड उसका क्रेडिट सिर्फ ये फिल्म को जाता है और बुच्ची सर को जाता है. सो थैंक यू सर.
वाओ. और मुझे जो स्पेशल चीज़ पता लगी, बिकॉज while I was coming inside, you know, बहुत सारे लोग हैदराबाद से, वाइजैक से आए हैं. वो स्पेशली दे वांटेड टू टॉक. हाँ, That Telugu connection, you know, वो एक emotion है जो कि चलता चले जा रहा है. Talk to us about that. ये क्या है, हो क्या रहा है ये? You know, they love you down south and especially Telugu connection जो है ये बड़ा emotional है.
मैं बॉम्बे में रहती हूँ लेकिन मेरा घर तो वहाँ ही है. अंदरिकी नमस्कारम. इतना प्यार जब मिलता है तो घर से ज़्यादा सबसे ज़्यादा लगाव वहीं लगता है मुझे. So yeah, and I hope कि मैं वहाँ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा काम करती रहूँगी and I hope I make everyone happy with it.
Wow, ladies and gentlemen, Janhvi Kapoor, one more time. और यही प्यार कुछ दिनों में भोपाल में देखने को मिलने वाला है. मैं बता दूं आप लोग को कि वहां भी ये टीम पहुंचने वाली है. कुछ बहुत ही कमाल होने वाला है. We'll definitely talk about that. लेकिन उससे पहले the man of the moment, the man of the hour. चलो ठीक है, मैं नहीं करता हूं. I would want you guys